how to enable or disable private mode on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your Spotify and then click on your profile here in top corner and click settings, and then just scroll down until you find here social, and that's it. Now you can manage here until you want. And in this video I'm talking about this one here, start a private session, and that's it. You can turn it off, you can turn it on if you want to enable it. As you see now, you can turn it off again, and that's it. Then just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.